We'll begin our granny square by making a magic ring. Chain 1 and pull tight to secure. Now we are going to chain 3 and now make 2 double crochets into the magic ring. 1 and 2. Now chain 2 and now we're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now again, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Once more, chain 2, make 3 double crochets, and then end off with a chain 2. Now we can close the magic circle by pulling on the tail until it's closed. Now we are going to close this row by slip stitching into the top third chain 3 that we had made at the beginning. The next row we are going to begin by chaining 3 and then making another 2 double crochets into that same space where we had made the slip stitch. Now we chain 1 and go into the next space on the corner and make 3 double crochets. Then chain 2 and make another 3 double crochets into that same space. Again, chain 1, go into the next corner and again 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets all into that space. When you reach the last space, again make 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then slip stitch back into that first of the 3 chain 3 from the previous row. This is how we're going to be growing our granny square, beginning with a chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same space, chain 1, go into the next space. If it's a corner, you make 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets. If it's not a corner, you just make 3 double crochets. So continue going around and around, growing your granny square until it is the size that you want. When your square is big enough, we're going to finish off with that slip stitch. Then leave a longish tail, cut your yarn, and pull it through the last loop on your hook to secure. Now we're going to repeat this whole process to make another granny square the same size. Once you have both squares ready, now we're going to place them right size together. Find the corners to match. Grab a needle and thread it through. And now we're going to sew together 3 sides for the purse. We're going to align them together and grab 1 stitch from each side and sew those together. You can follow along on where the stitches are. It's very clear to see, and like this you can be sure that you're making it nice and secure and aligning them correctly. Now that the 3 sides are connected, we can close off over here and hide the tail. Turn it to its right side, and now we're going to add this strap. So find on one side the middle of the side and go into right next to the middle of the side. Pull your yarn through, make a chain 1 and then a single crochet into that space to secure it down good. And now make a chain as long as you want your strap to be. Now you want to make sure that the chain is not twisted. And now slip stitch into the side of the middle of the other side of the purse. Now slip stitch on the other side of the middle and turn around, and now we are going to work a single crochet into every stitch of the chain. Back on the first side, again making sure it is not twisted. Slip stitch onto the other side of the middle of the side of the purse. Cut your yarn and fasten off. And now all that's left to do is to hide in your ends.